friends, today I have brought the new chapter for you, and this new chapter is having too much importance in your syllabus. The name of the chapter is Nelson Mandela. That is the second chapter of your first flight book, and the name of the chapter is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela himself has been it is written. This is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. The full name of Nelson Mandela is Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. Now I am going to tell you about the chapter which has been written by Nelson Mandela himself. I just have divided this chapter in some points. 10th May inauguration ceremony, that is having two importance in this chapter. The swearing in ceremony, display of military forces, racial discrimination in this chapter. Next is Mandela and freedom fighters, because he remembers the freedom fighters in this chapter a lot. Twin obligation to men and the country, he also just explains about this. And the last point is real freedom. He also explains the meaning of the real freedom in human life. Now I am going to tell you about this chapter at full. Now the inauguration ceremony. It was 10th May when Nelson Mandela was to take an oath as the President of South Africa. He was going to be the first black President of South Africa. Many dignitaries and world leaders were coming to the inauguration. The inauguration ceremony took place in the amphitheatre in Pretoria, where the first democratic non-racial government was installed. Now the next point is the swearing ceremony of Nelson Mandela and the others. Nelson Mandela was accompanied by his daughter Janani at this time. Mr. D. Clark was first sworn in as second deputy president, followed by Thabo Mbeki as first deputy president. Mandela was then sworn as the president of South Africa. Now for him at that time display of his military forces. After the oath ceremony, there was an extraordinary display of South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers in perfect formation and manner. It was demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, dear students. The highest military generals saluted him as he was just arrested by them before some time, but now they were saluting him. They were two national anthems also played. The white sang Naski Square and the black sang Dice Cham. Next point is racial discrimination that has been described and discussed in this chapter. That was a big matter here in this chapter. Nelson Mandela remembers the days of racial persecution against the blacks. This has become a history of South Africa. He says that the policy of racial discrimination created a deep and lasting wound of his country and its people, and this was a great matter. Mandela remembers freedom fighters at this time. He also uses to remember their sacrifices of thousands of freedom fighters. He was pained that he could not thank them. He remembered that the great freedom fighters like Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, the Chief Lutlas, Yusuf Daddos, Graham Fishers and Robert Sobukwe of their courage, wisdom and for their generosity also. He also reminds twin obligation of man here through this chapter to South African people at that time. A person who has obligation to his family, he reminds them to all, to his wife, to his children. Another obligation is to his people, to his community and the country as well. The blacks were not allowed to fulfill these duties at that time. Now the next point is, now the last point is the real meaning of freedom that he explains. In the early stage of his life, Mandela thought that the running free in the field of staying and out at night was freedom. After he became a young man, he realized that freedom must be for all people, not only for himself. So he joined the African National Congress and fought for the rights of the black people, taking the consideration of the freedom. Thank you. Now I am going to explain this in Hindi. Now the first point to explain in Hindi, the inauguration ceremony. इस समय 10th मई है एंड 10th मई ऑफ 1999, जब नेल्सन मंडेला अपनी प्रेसिडेंट की तरह साउथ अफ्रीका के प्रेसिडेंट के लिए ओथ लेने जा रहे हैं, और जब वो ओथ ले रहे हैं तो ये पहले ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट साउथ अफ्रीका के हैं। इस समय बहुत सारे डिग्नेटरीज और वर्ल्ड लीडर्स यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं इनॉग्रेशन के लिए, और इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी एम्पी थिएटर इन प्रिटोरिया में होगी। और जो ये पहली डेमोक्रेटिक नॉन रेशियल गवर्नमेंट यहाँ पर बनाई जा रही है। स्वेरिंग सेरेमनी, इस समय इनकी जो बेटी है जनानी, वो भी उनके साथ है। मिस्टर डी क्लर्क पहले उनसे शपथ लेंगे एज अ सेकंड डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट, और जो कि थैबो मैबकी को फॉलो कर रहे थे, क्योंकि वो पहले, ये सेकंड है और थैबो मैबकी फर्स्ट डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट बने हैं यहाँ पर। इस समय उन्होंने अपनी शपथ ली है, और इसके साथ ही मंडेला ने यहाँ पर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका की जो शपथ है स्वर्ण किया है। डिस्प्ले ऑफ मिलिट्री फोर्सेस, दिस वाज द बिग डे फॉर साउथ अफ्रीका, सो इट वाज अ ह्यूज grand display by African jets, helicopters and troop carriers in a perfect formation and manner. It was a demonstration. ये एक तरह का बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे मिलिट्रीज लॉयल्टी और टू डेमोक्रेसी की तरफ से, और ये जो हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री जनरल्स हैं वो उनको सल्यूट कर रहे थे। स्टूडेंट्स जो अब तक उन्हें अरेस्ट करने का काम किया करते थे, इट वॉज अ बिग थिंग फॉर देम, वो उन्हें क्या कर रहे थे, इस समय सल्यूट कर रहे थे। एंड देयर वर ऑल्सो 2 नेशनल एंथम्स प्लेड, and this was a big thing also. The white sang Noxy Siklel and the black sang Dice Champ. These were the 2 national anthems at that time sung by black and white together. And now racial discrimination against the blacks. Nelson Mandela remembers the days of racial persecution against the blacks. This has become a history of South Africa. क्योंकि जो racial discrimination है, क्योंकि नेल्सन मंडेला ने ये कहा कि जो पॉलिसी ऑफ रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है वो एक बहुत गहरा और अंत तक रहने वाला घाव क्रिएट करती है। तो जो ये रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है वो ख़त्म होना चाहिए। इसी समय नेल्सन मंडेला ने नेक्स्ट पॉइंट के अकॉर्डिंग उन्होंने याद किया फ्रीडम फाइटर्स को। जो कुछ फ्रीडम फाइटर्स हैं उनके नेम लाइक ओलिवर तैम्बोज और वॉल्टर सिजलस, चीफ लुथेलियस, यूसुफ डैडोज, ब्राम फिशर्स, रॉबर्ट सुबकोप्स, और उनके करेज, विजडम और उनकी जनरसिटी की बात उन्होंने की। इसी तरह से इसी सीरीज़ में स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं तो नेल्सन मंडेला ने बात की ट्विन ऑब्लिगेशन की। एक व्यक्ति के ट्विन ऑब्लिगेशन क्या क्या हैं, मतलब अपने प्रति और समाज के प्रति उसके क्या क्या कर्तव्य हैं वो उसे पूरे करने चाहिए, और उसी से उसका जीवन का निर्वाह सही से होता है। और इसी तरह इस लास्ट सीरीज़ में उन्होंने ये बताया कि जो रियल मीनिंग है, व्हाट इज़ द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ द फ्रीडम। रियल मीनिंग ऑफ द फ्रीडम इज़ टू लिव लाइफ ऑन हिज ओन वे। इट मीन्स वी आर फ्री टू गो एनी वेयर, वी आर फ्री टू get any type of education, we are free to do anything whatever we want anytime. So he just keep some points which are too important, and this chapter is too important. So please students watch this video very carefully and attentively. Okay, thank you.